welcome to this tutorial of how to make a Discord bot. So I made a new server called bot testing and I will show you the steps. So first you need to go to Discord developer portal, and there in applications you want to make a bot, and I made a bot called test, and we'll get the name and the O2. So there are okay, in here you want to add your bot and invite that bot in your server. Okay, and if we choose the bot and this administrator and copy this and invite that to your server. So let's get started. And there is something called token, so it is like a password for your bot, so don't show it to anybody, so you need to copy it. Okay, so I have opened PyCharm in so now I am using PyCharm, so we can get. Okay, I have set up everything in PyCharm. So first you need to import something called Discord, and in your terminal we need to write pip install Discord, and then it will install all the stuff we need. So for me it will show like requirement already satisfied, but for you it will install that package. Okay, so and if we install a package you need to import it, so we can import Discord, and in the second line from discord.ext, and we need to import something called commands. Okay, and task we don't need now, or we can actually add tasks. Okay, and then we will call something called client and set that equal to discord dot bot and command prefix. No, something is not right. Wait, let me check. And before anything we need to write something called client.run, and we have copied that thing and we need to paste it. So I will come back now. Okay, I have come back. So we need to write commands dot bot and set this command prefix is equal to, and you can give any prefix. I'm giving this prefix. Okay, then we can write something called at point dot event. Okay, and we need that parentheses, and we will write something called async def on underscore ready, and we will, when that is ready, it will print like bot is ready. Okay, so we can write in another line we can write like a client dot command, and we will write async def, and we will write hello and pass it ctx. Okay, then we will await ctx dot send hello. Okay, this is a main discord bot, so we can run that. Oh no, I got an error. Oh, sorry. Okay, bot is ready. So we will go to this, and we can now see that our bot is now online. So we can write a help with this command prefix help, then it will show you this message. So it will show you that how many commands we used. So we can write some, and we will write the hello. Okay, and our bot is saying hello. And if you need me to add more Discord bot tutorials, we can make this video to 30 likes, and I will post new Discord bot tutorials. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel.